Hello, my friends and health warriors. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the world of wellness and nutrition. Today, we're diving into a hot topic in the health and wellness community: Metformin versus Berberine, which is more effective in the battle against excess weight? This is a question on everyone's lips, and we're here to uncover the truth. With obesity rates climbing globally, the quest for effective weight management strategies has never been more crucial. If you're someone who's been struggling with weight loss, or you're just keen on learning about these two widely discussed supplements, you're in the right place. We're going to break down the science, compare their benefits, and help you understand which might be the best choice for you. So, sit tight, grab a healthy snack, and let's get into it. Understanding Metformin. Metformin, a well-known medication, has been prescribed for decades to manage blood sugar levels in individuals with type 2 diabetes. While its primary purpose is to address hyperglycemia, it has also been associated with weight loss in some cases. Let's understand how metformin works, who can find it beneficial, and its potential influence on weight. Metformin primarily functions by suppressing glucose production. Metformin lowers the amount of glucose the liver releases, thus reducing blood sugar levels. Enhancing insulin sensitivity, it improves the body's response to insulin, allowing muscles to utilize glucose more efficiently. This results in lower insulin levels. Reducing carbohydrate absorption, metformin decreases the absorption of carbohydrates from the digestive tract, further contributing to glucose control. Who else can benefit? Metformin benefits various individuals and can address various conditions. Below are the groups of people who can experience its advantages. Individuals with type 2 diabetes. Metformin is an established treatment for managing blood sugar levels in diabetes. Those with insulin resistance. Metformin can improve insulin sensitivity, making it suitable for individuals with insulin resistance. Weight loss with diabetes. People with diabetes who need to lose weight may experience additional benefits from metformin. Weight loss effects. The connection between metformin and weight management is a topic of ongoing research and discussion. While its primary purpose is not weight loss, some people experience weight changes while taking metformin. To understand the potential for metformin to cause weight loss, it's essential to explore the various factors influencing this phenomenon. Number 1. Appetite and hunger regulation. In a study involving 12 diet-treated non-insulin-dependent diabetes mellitus women with obesity, researchers investigated how metformin affects satiety and weight loss. Participants received different metformin doses, 850 or 1,700 milligrams, or a placebo for 3 days, followed by a meal test. Metformin has a significant impact on calorie intake and appetite. Both doses of metformin led to reduced calorie consumption compared to the placebo group. The higher dose of 1,700 milligrams had the most pronounced effect, suppressing appetite and prompting fewer calories to be eaten. Metformin also lowered subjective hunger ratings. Participants reported feeling less hungry before meals, particularly with the 1,700 milligrams dose. Metformin supports weight loss efforts by helping individuals consume fewer calories than they burn, especially when combined with dietary changes and lifestyle modifications. Number 2. Dose-dependent effects. One study suggests that the effectiveness of metformin in regulating weight may be dose-dependent, with higher doses potentially yielding more pronounced results. This conclusion is based on adjusting metformin dosages in individuals with type 2 diabetes. In this study, participants who received higher metformin doses experienced more substantial reductions in hemoglobin A1c levels in the blood. However, even those with no change in metformin dosing or a dose reduction also saw improved HbA1c levels, indicating that factors beyond dosage adjustments played a role in glycemic control. But what is hemoglobin A1c, and why is it so important? Hemoglobin A1c, also known as glycated hemoglobin, is a form of hemoglobin that is chemically linked to glucose. The hemoglobin A1c test measures the average blood glucose levels over the past 2 to 3 months, which is the typical lifespan of red blood cells. This test is commonly used to diagnose and monitor diabetes, as it provides an indication of how well blood sugar levels are being managed over time. Higher hemoglobin A1C levels indicate poorer blood sugar control and a higher risk of diabetes-related complications. The study's findings underscore the potential benefits of metformin dose adjustments in managing type 2 diabetes, particularly for individuals with higher baseline hemoglobin A1C levels. However, healthcare providers should consider balancing the benefits and potential risks when making dosage decisions for metformin therapy. Number 3. Brain and gut microbiome. In the brain, metformin is believed to modulate hypothalamic appetite regulatory centers, potentially reducing appetite and calorie intake. Simultaneously, in the gut, metformin has been shown to enhance microbiome diversity and promote the growth of beneficial bacteria that produce metabolites that influence energy balance. These combined effects on brain and gut physiology contribute to metformin's potential as a valuable tool in weight management, offering insights into novel pathways for combating obesity and related metabolic disorders. Number 4. Gastrointestinal side effects. Metformin is known to be associated with gastrointestinal side effects, including nausea and diarrhea, in some individuals. These side effects can be severe and uncomfortable, leading to reduced food intake. A study published in the Journal of Research in Pharmacy Practice reported that gastrointestinal side effects, such as vomiting, diarrhea, and nausea, can affect anywhere from 2 to 63% of people taking metformin tablets in their original formulation. Such discomfort can be so intense that it discourages individuals from eating much, decreasing calorie consumption. Extended-release forms of metformin tend to have fewer documented side effects. Number 5. Long-term weight loss. While metformin may lead to weight loss, the actual amount lost can be relatively modest, averaging around 6 pounds after 1 year of use. It is essential to emphasize that metformin is not a miracle weight loss solution. Sustainable weight loss requires a holistic approach, including a healthy diet and regular physical activity. Taking metformin alone, without adhering to a healthy lifestyle, is unlikely to yield significant results. Exploring berberine. Berberine is a natural compound found in certain plants, such as the Oregon grape and Chinese gold thread. While it has been used in traditional medicine, recent research has shed light on its potential as a weight loss aid. Here's how berberine functions, who can benefit from it, and the potential it has to impact weight management. Berberine influences the body at a molecular level. Carbohydrate metabolism: it decreases the pace at which carbohydrates are processed and reduces sugar production in the liver through increased glycolysis. Insulin sensitivity: berberine enhances insulin sensitivity, similar to metformin, allowing for better glucose control. Activation of AMPK: berberine activates the AMP-activated protein kinase, AMPK, pathway, a cellular mechanism that regulates energy metabolism. This pathway plays a vital role in glucose metabolism and energy balance. Fat utilization: berberine promotes fatty acid oxidation in the liver and skeletal muscles, reducing stored fat and improving energy utilization. Inhibition of lipogenesis: it inhibits processes like cholesterol synthesis, lipogenesis, conversion of carbohydrates into fats, and triglyceride synthesis. Who else can benefit? Berberine can offer advantages to various groups of individuals. Here are the key beneficiaries. Individuals without diabetes: berberine has shown promise for weight loss in individuals without diabetes who are looking to shed pounds. Those seeking a natural approach: berberine is a natural plant compound, appealing to those who prefer holistic solutions. Weight management: berberine can be considered by individuals looking to support their weight management goals through natural supplementation. Weight loss effects: short-term studies have shown that berberine supplementation can lead to significant weight loss. In one 12-week study, participants taking berberine lost an average of 5 pounds and 3.6% of their body fat. These results suggest that berberine can be effective in helping individuals with obesity and overweight individuals shed some pounds in the short term. Here's a detailed explanation of how berberine can impact weight loss and its potential long-term effects. Number 1. Improved insulin sensitivity. Berberine contributes to weight loss by significantly improving insulin sensitivity. Insulin sensitivity is crucial because it determines how effectively your cells respond to insulin, a hormone responsible for regulating blood glucose levels. When you have insulin resistance, your cells don't respond well to insulin, resulting in elevated blood sugar levels and increased feelings of hunger. Berberine enhances insulin sensitivity, allowing glucose to enter your cells more efficiently. This reduces appetite and calorie intake, a critical factor in weight loss. Number 2. Regulation of glucose metabolism. Berberine also plays a role in regulating glucose metabolism. It helps cells use glucose more efficiently, reducing the likelihood of excess glucose being stored as fat. As a result, you may feel less hungry and consume fewer calories. Number 3. Activation of AMP-activated protein kinase, AMPK. Berberine activates an enzyme called AMPK, which regulates metabolism and energy usage. AMPK can influence body fat composition and is critical in controlling appetite. Activation of AMPK can lead to increased fat burning and reduced fat storage, further supporting weight loss efforts. Number 4. Inhibition of fat cell growth. Berberine, a compound found in Berberis vulgaris, has shown promise in preventing the growth of fat cells, which can be beneficial for weight loss. It works at the molecular level to inhibit the differentiation of adipocytes, fat cells, potentially reducing the formation of new fat cells. This action can contribute to long-term weight management by limiting fat accumulation in the body. Long-term effects. While berberine has shown promise in short-term weight loss, the long-term effects of berberine for weight loss are less well established. Long-term studies on the safety and efficacy of berberine as a weight loss supplement are limited. More research is needed to fully understand its sustained impact on weight management. A comparative overview. To assess the effectiveness of metformin and berberine in weight loss, it is essential to compare their attributes systematically. Blood sugar control. Both metformin and berberine aim to regulate blood sugar levels, making them valuable for individuals with type 2 diabetes. While metformin primarily works by suppressing glucose production and enhancing insulin sensitivity, berberine achieves similar results by activating AMPK and improving insulin response. Side effects and safety profile. Metformin. Common side effects encompass gastrointestinal disturbances such as nausea and diarrhea, which can affect calorie intake. Over extended use, there may be a risk of developing vitamin B12 deficiency and, in rare instances, lactic acidosis. Berberine. Potential side effects of berberine may involve gastrointestinal discomfort. It's worth noting that, as a supplement, berberine is not subject to regulatory oversight. This lack of regulation means that the safety and efficacy of berberine supplements may not be systematically monitored or verified over the long term, and a limited body of data is available regarding its extended safety profile. Moreover, high doses of berberine could carry a risk of liver toxicity. Weight loss effects. Metformin and berberine exhibit the potential for weight loss, but their effects and mechanisms differ. Metformin's impact on weight is inconclusive, with mixed results in various studies. While some show modest weight loss in patients with type 2 diabetes and obesity, others demonstrate more significant weight reductions in obese individuals without diabetes. Metformin's appetite-suppressing effects and modulation of appetite-regulating centers in the brain contribute to its weight management potential, but it's not primarily prescribed for weight loss. In contrast, berberine appears to promote weight loss through multiple mechanisms. Short-term studies suggest that berberine can lead to substantial weight loss and fat reduction by improving insulin sensitivity, regulating glucose metabolism, activating AMPK, and inhibiting fat cell growth. However, the long-term effects of berberine on weight loss require further investigation. While metformin may lead to modest weight loss, berberine is promising for short-term weight reduction, particularly for individuals struggling with obesity and insulin resistance. However, more research is needed to establish its long-term efficacy for sustained weight management. Conclusion. Metformin's primary role is diabetes management, while berberine is a natural alternative with promising weight loss attributes. However, sustainable weight loss hinges on a holistic approach that includes a balanced diet and regular physical activity. Individuals considering these compounds for weight management should consult their healthcare provider for personalized guidance and assess which option aligns with their needs and health status. Remember, there is no one-size-fits-all solution, and a comprehensive lifestyle approach remains the foundation for successful and enduring weight loss. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating exploration of metformin and berberine. Remember, whether it's metformin or berberine, the key is to find what works best for you in consultation with healthcare professionals. If you've enjoyed this video and found it informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And as always, if you have any questions or want to share your experiences, feel free to leave a comment down below. Your feedback is invaluable and inspires me to keep creating informative content. Stay tuned for more insightful content and for the latest updates in the world of health and science. Remember, your health is your wealth. Until next time.